Are you looking to get into construction? Are you interested in building new builds? Are you at school wondering what to do next? Or simply just sick of studying? Do you wish to go from a young, skinny apprentice like this guy into a good-looking, mature man like him? Yes, you. Seriously, yes. In this video, I will talk you through the steps on how to become a bricklayer. So there's 4 ways of becoming a bricklayer. 1, do what I've done, get yourself an apprenticeship. 4 days on site, 1 day in college. The money isn't great though. I was on £30 a day and it was costing me £10 a day expenses. But do that for 2 years, get yourself a qualification. Second one, go to college, which is usually 3 days a week. You don't get paid, but you get the qualifications. The third one, become a hod carrier / labourer. Buy yourself a trowel whenever you get a spare 5 minutes. Lay some bricks, get some practice in. And now the fourth one, I don't recommend it. Go to prison, do a course in prison, because it's free. Okay, and now to get onto a building site you need a CSCS card. It's a little test, it costs about 30 quid. Once you pass it, you get a card, you're allowed on site. There is an app that you can use to practice on, gives you real questions and the real answers. And once you've got that, you need a UTR number to become self-employed, a unique tax reference. That's just so you get paid. Simple. once you're on a building site and you finish your apprenticeship, you've got to start building your way up the ladder. Next thing you do is become an improver. The money's a bit better, you do a lot of snagging, it's a bit shit, but you've got to persevere and then experience. Once you experience, the money will go up, your skills go up, and bosh,